Smokey!
Hello, Paul. How are you?
How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, good, good.
You know what it is? There's some Chinese
Oh,
grits.
Smokey, give us a cigarette.
Yeah.
Lovely.
They're nasty though.
Go on then, I'll try one.
Mate, got one.
Yeah.
Lovely.
From tomorrow, I think I'm going to quit
Quit what?
smoking.
You won't quit.
You watch me. Now, I have never been so serious about anything in my life. No, I'm not going to say it's going to be easy, but I can quit this. With a bit of courage and determination, I really feel that I can get over this. I even feel healthier talking to you about it now.
Just got to get over that 3-day hut.
Did you just come off a cigarette butt?
No, but from tomorrow, I am out of the game. Stopping's going to be tough, but it is mind over matter. You will see.
Yeah, how you doing, mate?
Hello, Paul.
Can't believe I'm saying this, but you actually did it. I mean, a whole week. I gotta tell you, pal, I'm proud of you.
Well, I'm not quite out of the woods just
You're
yet.
doing good, mate. You've even inspired me to make a change.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Got one of these bad boys, haven't I? Fresh from China.
How's that working out for you?
Good. I mean, I'm still smoking. Only down to 10 a day, though. And in between, they're all handy.
Want to try?
It's tobacco flavour. Tastes like battery acid. Come try it.
No, you're right, mate.
Got a few tricks up my sleeve, though.
Oh, really? What's that then?
Yeah, check this. See that? Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty decent.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll tell you, mate. You got some super duper willpower. But tonight, it's the real test.
Wait, what do you mean the real test?
Alcohol, man. Beer and cigarettes go together like Whitney and Houston, Jenny and the Block, Jackson 5. A few pints ain't gonna do nothing. You could do it, man.